So someone was asking for an update on the football court. So here we are. It's getting there. Let's have a wander around. Concrete's formed. So it looks like those may be drain holes at the bottom. Unless my eyes are deceiving me, which they might be, because my eyesight's terrible these days. Did a good job on the concrete though. They've cut a channel with the slab. They've cut a channel down there as well, look. So I do think that's drainage. See how they've cut it out there, look. They've cut the slabs back. So I assume the holes are going to go through from this side as well. Looks like it. Like I said, maybe wrong. A channel. They've gone all in on the concrete here. There's a section there for some reason. I wonder how they put that there. Still got a little bit to do there, look. It's not looking far off now though. So we're going to skip that out, well, lift that out and skip it. And then I'll fill this corner in before they redo the top surface. But a few people complain they cut the tree down. Yeah, that's it. That's about as exciting as it gets, guys. It doesn't look far off now, does it?